Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. UPL, a global provider of sustainable agriculture products and solutions, has raised the second tranche of $700 million sustainability-linked loan. Jay Shroff, global CEO of UPL, said we are transforming our business from products to a solution business through our technology platforms, natural plant product, nurture farm, and the wide portfolio of differentiated and biosolution products, and our diverse and expansive product pipeline. Bharat Certis AgriScience Limited, powered by cutting-edge technology, is set to launch a new solution to protect crops. Bharat Certis is committed to supplying the best quality products at competitive prices and wishes to help farmers around the world to increase the productivity of their crops. CNH Industrial has officially commenced 2022 trading on the New York Stock Exchange in the United States and Borsa Italiana's Euronext Milan in Italy as a fully focused agriculture and construction player. Scott Wine, CEO of CNH Industrial, said, "As a pure player in agriculture and construction, we bring our individual attention to bear on supporting our customers and dealers." Bayer Crop Science has introduced Viago, which is a powerful insecticide that provides quick anti-fidant and residual activity on all life stages from egg to adult on a broad spectrum of pests. Viago has proven efficiency on key pests such as codling moth, light brown apple moth, oriental fruit moth, caterpillar's beetle, garden weevil, fuller's rose weevil, and apple weevil. Green Eye Technology has developed selective spraying technology which dispenses herbicide only when weeds are detected. When a weed is spotted, the spray nozzle above that plant is activated to douse it with the herbicide. Green Eye's AI-based computer vision system is able to differentiate between the crop plants and the weeds which pass beneath the modules. In case there are no weeds spotted, no herbicide is dispensed. Alka Mittal, Director of Human Resources at Energy Major Oil and Natural Gas Company, has been given the additional charge of Chairman and MD. With this appointment, Mittal has become the first woman ever to head ONGC as its CMD. She will hold the post for 6 months or until a regular appointment for the position is announced. Chandigarh University research scholar Amit Verma has developed an AI-based mobile app that can assist farmers in the early detection of crop diseases. The mobile application works on a 3-step disease detection process based on image processing, which compares the crop's current image to that of a disease-infected crop. The app detects any significant change in the leaves, stems, or branches by using a pattern matching technique. Venu Srinivasan, chairman of TVS Motor Company, has been recognized as Man of the Year 2021 by Autocar Professional. He also serves on the board of Tata Sons Limited, the holding company of the conglomerate Tata Group, and has also received the Padma Bhushan Award in 2020. TVS Motor Company Limited is one of the largest two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturers in India, producing scooters, motorcycles, mopeds, and three-wheelers. Government has appointed Vijay Paul Sharma as the chairman of the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices after he relinquished the post in May last year following completion of his 5-year tenure. CACP, which is a decentralized agency of the Government of India, is mandated to recommend minimum support prices to incentivize the cultivators to adopt modern technology and raise productivity and overall grain production in line with the emerging demand patterns in the country. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.